This is an American Flyer wide gauge train. It's the 464 locomotive, and then you have a passenger called the America, and then the Pleasant View Observation. It was just a two-car train, and it was sold as the Eagle. And 1928, it has a manual reverse on it, and you can see it run. It lights up, and the cars light up. Okay, and then you reach and you hit the button here, and there's the manual reverse. Okay. That's the Eagle by American Flyer, produced about 1928. Beautiful green cars and green locomotive. There has been some restoration done on that.